Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. In this video I'm going to be talking about how to map out your jobs on Google Maps. You may have worked for companies where the scheduling or planning happens for you already. In some instances you can reroute how you want to get to jobs yourself. In my job I get given like a plan of where to go, and I can alter the plan according to which route is quickest or suits me best. So here's an example. So say for instance I live at Buckingham Palace and I have a few jobs to go to, and then I have to return to Buckingham Palace. So say this is the schedule that my office have given me. Go to Big Ben first, then 10 Downing Street, Houses of Parliament, Tower of London, Somerset House, and then back home to Buckingham Palace. Well, all I can say is that takes approximately 50 minutes. That can vary with traffic, if there's traffic or no traffic, and so on. But what I can do is I can say, right, from Buckingham Palace, going to go to Big Ben, and let's try and turn this around a bit. And we move some things around. So I'm going to move that around. Oh, all of a sudden, when I've changed the order around, I've saved myself some time and some mileage. What else can I move around? Let's swap Somerset House around. Oh, no, longer. Let's go back. Okay, what else can I move around? Let's move around Downing Street and this. No. We change Houses of Parliament and Downing Street. So I've got 45 minutes seems like my quickest time. So I hope you get the gist. You can just move your locations around in order to be quicker. Or for instance, I could say I'm going to go to Tower of London first and then make my way back in. So instead of Big Ben first, I'm going to change the order around and bring Tower of London first, and then change the order of some of these around and then see. Oh, it's getting worse. I mean, the time it takes you to do this can take up time, but after a while you'll get quicker at it. But what you can save in time if you're traveling for the whole day, and if you're traveling far, is a lot of time that can be used to enjoy your lunch or to do something else, or to spend more time on a job rather than driving around and sitting in traffic. Let's see if we can try and get this back to our original way of having it. Excuse me. Let's have a look. Oh, 48 minutes, was that the best time, or was it 45 minutes? Okay, Buckingham Palace, Houses of Parliament. This one doesn't seem too bad. So we go from A to B and then C, D, E, F, and so on. So, yep, try it out. This can also help you outside of work as well. If you're planning on taking somebody around London, for instance, on a tour of London, you can basically use this to make the route quicker, or when you're doing your own personal journeys, doing something else other than traveling around London. You could be traveling somewhere else. So I hope this helps. Please let me know what you use to get around London for working. On Waze, I know that you can only seem to add one stop. You may be able to add more, but as far as I'm aware, you can only add one stop. So try this out for your mapping out. You don't have to use Google Maps to get around. You could use a different app, but I find when, for instance, today in my jobs, I used it to reroute my journey to where I'm working. All right, thank you for your time. Bye.